Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc ED75, a stunning vehicle with a powerful 116 horsepower engine, sleek white exterior and luxurious interior features. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Plus, with features like power steering and automatic hazard lights, your safety and comfort are always a top priority. And with a comprehensive warranty, full health and safety check, and service into manufacturer specifications, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Contact us today at blackwatermotors.ie or visit our website for more information. Drive in style and safety with the Volkswagen T-Roc ED75.